feeling ignorant, I'm feeling real ignorant. Pretty girls rocking pearls, trying to get intimate.
What is going on? Today I got a special, and I mean special, video clip for you. We went down to the woods and we got a three-wheeler that was stuck in the woods. We brought it back to the shed and then let it sit there for 5 years. Put a little bit of gas in it, used the stale gas that was in there, and let's see if this fired up or not. Play that clip.
What did I do?
Come on.
You just warming it up, or just getting the pull cord intact?
Getting it intact. Only one tooth catches, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, one tooth is broke. That's why it pulls at this far and does nothing. Pain in the ass.
Yeah, I'm just choking on the fumes here. Here it goes. He's doing the wheelie. There we go. That's squad goals. There we go. That's some catwalkage. That's just a minor backfire. It's smoking a lot. Has it been sitting for a little while?
Oh, yeah. Wow. When I got it, it smoked. But when I took the motor out, it got tilted, so I spilled oil on my piston.
Okay. Spilled some oil in the piston, and that's why we got all this smoke.
Let you go on it.
Papers.
And then after that, everybody came over and all hell broke loose. I'll show you.
You don't even know how to drive it. You'll crash.
How do you drive it? I didn't even let me drive it.
Like,
Michelle, let's drive it together.
no, you're gonna hurt yourself, man.
Why?
Because
Just
you're
tell
gonna
me
be sitting on that back rack, and she's gonna flip it.
No. Why would you just have to tell me what to do.
Oh,
Well, you
yeah.
want to go on. Just tell me what to do. I want to
You're
go
gonna
on
hurt
with
yourself. Move your legs.
Well, wait. Tell me what to do.
You gotta push the gas and put the.
Where's
push
the gas?
Right here.
Okay.
You shouldn't be driving this.
with you!
Wait,
Okay,
no.
you guys gotta go on the
Back
deck,
up. Wait. Which ones are the? Is this? What's this?
That's the shifter. You
You
push down.
So you have to shift like you shift the car?
Yes, you gotta push down once, and that's it. I don't want you going any
Wait, are
faster
you
than that.
videoing this? Okay, wait. I'm really fucking confused.
That's the gas.
I know how to drive it if you don't.
That's the shifter right there.
Have you ever driven
No.
it? If you just press it once, that's first gear?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's no clutch, there's no nothing like that.
Okay.
Auntie!
We might
Auntie!
fall.
Auntie!
As long as we don't get hurt.
Auntie!
Just know what you're doing. This might be like a witness of me like hurt. How fucking hurt me, bitch?
Push gas. You gotta push the gas, man.
Oh, that smells like shit. Wait till it smokes and see it smells really bad.
Auntie!
You guys stay on the
Hey,
deck.
if you get scared, you need to shut it off. Like that.
Sophia, stop.
Hey, you're gonna go to bed.
You're going to go on a deck? You suck. I don't trust myself.
No.
I might hurt mommy. We'll see how she drives, okay?
Oh, you don't hold the gas with that, man. You're gonna. Shut it off! Holy fuck. What are you doing?
What are they doing, Jacob? Are they driving in the neighbor's lawn?
Yeah. Don't hit my pool!
Can I go on the road with this?
No, stop!
That's fun!
Holy fuck.
Oh my god! That's actually a lot of fun.
You guys can't go in the neighbor's
I
yard.
didn't mean to! I didn't mean to! I went to just don't turn and it's hard to turn.
Yeah, it's just a three-wheeler.
I want to do it again.
No, I want to go on with you.
Wait, she's
You
not the
can't.
best driver. She
Yeah.
has to learn.
I'll take you on it. Anyway.
Jacob, get us going. Wait,
You guys
let's
want to go out and drive it?
Yeah! Just for a little bit.
I'll go in her. You guys all go in her car. Okay. You know where?
I want to go on with you.
Okay, let's go. Get off. Let's go. Come on, put it in. We going full wheeling.
Woohoo! Wheeling.
It's a three-wheeler.
Went in with the kids.
Yeah.
Okay, remember how you went in with the little Reynolds?
Stop.
If you go down
We're
the road,
going.
little Reynolds,
You're
go off
coming.
the road,
We're going four-wheeling.
down that road, right?
I don't know. Trisha, are you listening
Oh
to
my
her?
God. You know where it is. We walk in there. Okay, you know where that is?
Yeah.
Okay, well you go up that street a bit more, right?
Yeah.
And on this side of the road, you're gonna see a red gate.
Okay.
There's a gate, and there's a
Okay.
four-wheeler trail there.
Okay.
Walk down there, and I'll meet you guys down
Okay,
there.
let's go.
No, you guys walk down there, and I'll meet you there with us.
Me and Michelle are driving this first.
No, you guys get
Don't
in the
give me
car
a
and
video.
drive there. I'll drive the three-wheeler there. I'm gonna go through a bunch of trails.
How are you getting there, Jacob?
I'm gonna take the trails.
To my heart, to my music. I want to be the realest artist ever. I want everybody to talk about Tupac. He was the realest artist ever. He never sold out. He stayed the same. They couldn't stop him. They couldn't change.
Got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Then my little cousin K-Roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas is to love niggas now.